Hello photography fans and welcome back to another LensVid review. Today we're taking a look at the Hollyland Cosmo C1 video transmission system. Let's see what it can do. Today we're taking a look at the Hollyland Cosmo C1, a wireless HDMI transmission system that boasts 1000 feet of range and boosted signal strength that stands up to interference even in complex environments. All of this in a small package with a choice of ports and power options. Hollyland ships this system in a hard plastic carrying case with a hard foam interior that houses the transmitter and receiver, antennas, power supply, mounting arm and expansion, and a USB-C adapter. We've reviewed a couple of Hollyland devices in the past and they all have an impressive design. The C1 features a metal body decorated with a machined aluminum logo, color-coded labels for the transmitter and receiver, and a specialty ball catch design on the battery plate to prevent from accidental release. The transmitter and receiver share the same design. The units are pretty compact and weigh in at 230 grams. Of course, if you add the battery and use the included arm, the whole setup gets a bit heavy. We wouldn't recommend mounting it on your camera's hot shoe. On the right side of the units, there's a light indicator that glows yellow when connection is established. This light turns red to indicate a low battery. Below the indicator, there's a small menu screen, a clickable control dial, an on and off switch, and a USB-C port for power. As alternatives to power the unit, Hollyland included a battery option with L-type batteries and a DC adapter option. There's only one DC adapter included in the kit. On the bottom of the unit, there is a 1/4-inch mounting hole. The included expansion can be installed on the front panel of the unit to mount it horizontally. There's a small cold shoe attachment included in the kit. Each device uses two antennas. For storage and transporting, these unscrew from the top of the unit. There are also two mushroom antennas provided in the kit. These are used on the transmitter in situations where there's a big height difference between the transmitter and receiver. The C1 comes with an HDMI port and two SDI ports, allowing for up to 3 monitors to receive feed simultaneously. We tested this feature with an HDMI cable connected to our camera and it worked fine. An SDI out of the camera will provide even a better feed. To keep the C1 from overheating, there's a small fan inside with a vent on the back panel of the unit. The menu on the units is pretty simple. It allows you to change channel settings, language options, and to reset the unit. When powered up, the units connect automatically. The auto channel feature is turned on by default. We were surprised that this unit does not have a Wi-Fi connection to be used with the HollyView app. It's a very handy app that we reviewed in the Hollyland Mars X transmitter in 2020. According to Hollyland, the Cosmo C1 is designed with the new HEVO wireless transmission technology, not based on standard Wi-Fi transmission protocol. It's not clear if it will be able to connect with the app in the future either. A very useful technology that this system is equipped with is adaptive frequency hopping. This allows the units to seamlessly and automatically switch between frequencies in case of interference. Hello? Hello? Hollyland, how you doing? Yeah, everything's working just fine. No, all good. No interference, no. Yeah. I'll let them know. Yeah, they do need to subscribe. Absolutely, the button's right down there, yeah, I know. Of course, sure. Alright, Cosmo, C1. Another very useful addition to this system is embedded UVC, which allows you to stream your camera's feeds simply by connecting the C1 receiver to your computer with a USB-C cable. We tried this feature and it works pretty seamlessly. OBS recognized the video feed right away. In the properties, the camera is labeled as UVC camera. We did have some issues with zoom though. At times the software wouldn't see the feed even though it recognized the UVC camera. This is a great feature for live presentations and even to upgrade your image during video calls with a 1080p stream at 60 frames. The official C1 latency is 40 milliseconds. In our tests we found it to be even less. It's definitely low enough to pull focus in scenes that are not very dynamic. For action scenes, you'd probably need a lower latency provided by much bigger transmission systems. We tested the range on the C1. In our experiment, the transmitter is sending feed from a camera on the street to the receiver in our 3rd floor studio. The feed was stable even from about 150 meters away. We did lose connection when the camera entered the building, but interestingly, from inside the elevator, it reconnected again. On the third floor of the building, with walls and two metal doors between the transmitter and receiver, the feed had no issues. In working with the system, we recorded the battery life for both units. We were able to get just over 2 hours from a 40-watt L-type battery. For prolonged use, there is always DC or a power bank through USB-C. Hollyland has really stepped things up with this system. Everything from the presentation and design to improved technology and the streaming function comes together in a transmission system that connects easily and provides stable video feed. As for pricing, the C1 sells for $900. And that is it for our look at the Cosmo C1 video transmission system by Hollyland. Go check out the full review on our website at lensvid.com, subscribe to this channel, and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.